It's a lose-lose situation if you ask me. You look from a distance, it's like... Hello everybody and welcome to my channel where we take old clothes and make it fashion. And believe me, today we're gonna do something crazy again. Experiment with some acid. God's sake. An extreme transformation. Going from a really kind of cheap looking velvet ASOS fast fashion jumper. Hello. To something... I don't know what it exactly is, okay? You tell me down below when you've watched this video. Okay, let's party!
1 hour later.
Yes, take that lid off completely first. Then we're gonna mix the acid. It's about 1 teaspoon of powder with 6 to 7 teaspoons of gel. It's supposed to stay kind of jelly. Mine always gets watery thin. Maybe I lost count again. I'm like 1, 2, 3. My concentration is gone. I'm gonna do a little batch dash. See how the fabric reacts. Hopefully it's gonna do a little bit what I want. I'm gonna take my brush and...
We are gonna go in and go ahead, tap off the excess.
really fuse it into the fibers. The pigeons! Oh. What? You can tell already, it's my day.
I don't know what it is about today, but I feel great. Cookie?
Do ya? Ladies and gentlemen, it's working. At least something goes according to the plan today. To make it a little more me, I'm gonna just
change that way. Tighten it up.
And make it a little more sexy.
Sexy, sexy, sexy.
Dirty, dirty mirror. Dirty boy. Please don't zoom out. Such a big mess here. Usually I'm just kind of guesstimating, but I'm just gonna pin so that it's gonna be really much tighter.
It looks really shitty, it's not straight at all.
Exactly what my mom said when I was born. I'm joking, my mom is the best. I love you, mom. Make sure that on both sides it's more or less the same. I hope it's not gonna look crazy because it's a lot downsizing that I'm doing now. Well, yeah, I'm not really a master of pinning on myself. If you have any tips, please let me know in the comments. I'm just trying to even it out now so that it's all on both sides the same. Using some chalk to make the markings, taking the dogs out for a walk. Hashtag multitasking. Oh, fuck. Oh. Shit. Today, I'm just gonna close it with a basting stitch now, just to see if it fits. Or I'm gonna cut any fabric off. It should still be comfortable. It's not really a word you associate with fashion, but yes, if it's not comfortable, I'm usually not wearing it. So I'm one of those. Thread breaking, why not?
Attempt 2.
Very tight. Okay, I'm just gonna... it's not gonna fit on. Damn, I was already like, these sleeves look so small. I'm just continuing. What's going on? It's not sewing. This was supposed to be the quick part. There's some bleeding here in the armpits, but I think it's not really possible to get that out. Let's cut the crap and size it down. So I'm gonna get this collar thingy off because, well, does everything need a reason now? See, I'm ripping everything out. People who paid attention might have seen it's an ASOS jumper. Fun fact, did you know ASOS stands for as seen on screen? Fun fact.
They're freaking lying.
No way. Nothing looks as seen on screen. Nothing. Products just break.
A few inches later.
Man. They attached it well, I must say. Just when you don't want it to. They know how to attach things well. Light! I need light on my beautiful self. Sorry, I need to fix my hair. I'm not Okay, I'm not done yet.
Can you please give me a second?
Anyway, gotta hurry up before it gets completely dark. So this situation, I think, is a little uncomfortable. I can't remember. They have this kind of cutouts here around the armpit. I was like, let's try it. You know, like a kind of chaps for the arm. Kind of cool chap. I'm a cool chap. I'm gonna have some cool chaps, okay?
Several bad puns later.
I'm gonna sew an elastic without stretching it with a little zigzag stitch around the edges of the holes. And in case you are wondering, yes, I'm taking the elastics off from the single-use masks. You know, reuse, reduce, recycle.
Motherfuckers.
I recommend cutting off those hard bits where they're kind of melted, glued on the mask. When it sticks out, it's kind of uncomfortable on the shoulder, is what I've heard. I'm gonna fold one more time in and go over it with a small zigzag again. And I'm doing the neckline in the same way. So I'm also gonna cut off the old cuffs. And then I'm gonna make new ones, one of those cute ones where you can put your thumb through. Just because I can. Huh? Is that a valid enough reason for you? So incredibly tired. Okay, now I'm gonna attach the cuffs to the sleeves. Go sewing, they said. It will be fun, they said. Guys, I've been literally throwing it in a corner yesterday after I tried it on. I really love the idea, I love the effect, but Houston,
we have a problem.
it just is not 100% symmetrical. Once you see it, you can't unsee it.
Flashback.
Do exactly the same on the other side. Can we work it? Can we put our thing down, flip it? I'm afraid not, to be honest. So, bye-bye. Farewell, crazy hole around the armhole top. It was a pleasure. But hello, crazy one-sleeved off the shoulder, hole around the armhole top. We're gonna finish the new neckline. Oh well, you know how. So, time for acid. Not that acid. It's my good old love of making Ausbrenner fabric. Strip the soft fibers off, basically. My inspiration is gonna be... Step 1. Place something in between your two layers of fabric. Step 2. Mix the acid. Guess what? We already did that a few days ago. It's already starting to look strange. So I'm gonna take my brush and add some zebra stripes on the inside of the shirt. And oh yeah, I have a separate kind of sleeve / glove situation now. There with the acid, do not apply too much because it might bleed out a little bit in the fabric. By the way, bonus points if you can comment down below what sound does a zebra make, because I have no idea. So, if you have plenty of time, ladies and gentlemen, you can do the whole shirt. Now I'm gonna just let it dry, hopefully quickly, and then the magic. I don't know what's going on with my mic, but yeah, see me rambling again for a long time. Point is, you just have to iron thoroughly. By the way, you have to ventilate well, and yeah, I was wearing a mask too, now that we're having them anyway, because the fumes, well, you know, probably not too healthy. And then you can scratch a little, see if the fibers are loosening. If that's the case, it means you've ironed enough. You can rinse it in some lukewarm water. Hey bitch, get your skates, go figure skating. Okay, it turned out much more skater outfit than I thought. I just couldn't get enough of acids. It's official.
It's been a crazy day, hasn't it?
Of course, tell me in the comments what's your opinion, because I love to hear. And, you know, subscribe if you didn't do that yet, because I do crazy videos every week. There's even crazier stuff coming up. Once I found my new place, I'm gonna go all in again with making cool videos, experimenting, and I'd love to have you join me.